All right, so here's a big deal step in the process. Our hydroponics tent has officially arrived. It arrived this morning. We're gonna unbox it. It is a Vevor grow tent. It is a 8 by 4 by 6.5 tall, if I remember correctly. So it should fit in my space right here behind us, and give us 2 or 3 feet on one end to be able to shift the tent back and forth if needed, or allow for any mechanical items, which I still do have to order. So let's unbox this thing. So there's the tent. Looks like it's one solid piece. We have our connections. Straps. A very small set of instructions come with the Vevor 10 by 4 by 6.5 tent. By the looks of it, the whole frame is assembled. The jacket, we'll call it, which is the outside of the tent, is placed over top to front, and a removable pan tray is the last step. So there's literally 4 steps to installing this piece of equipment. So we'll see if we can at least get the frame built tonight. Oh, what am I kidding? We're probably gonna build this whole thing. So I'm gonna start setting up, and all right, the poles are up. Two mistakes. One, the name of the tent that I purchased is a Vevor, not a Vevor. Second mistake, I tried to put this together by myself with about that much space at the top. So there's no way I could film that without that being a complete disaster. So building the frame took about 5 minutes. If I had been in like a living room or a dining room or like a spare bedroom and I had an 8-foot ceiling, probably would have took about another 10 minutes to build this whole thing. I'm working with 6-foot 8-inch ceilings in this old basement. I had about that much space, and what you had to do was you have to unzip the entire canvas, get it behind the poles, corner to corner, lift over the top, peel over, and hook these corners. And once you can finally get the top, all 4 corners, you can actually start putting this thing together. So let's take a look at this thing. The quality of this unit is fantastic. I got this on sale for $120. There's a ton of tents out there you can buy that are the same size that are $200, $300, $400. And you know what? Until you own one, it's hard to say if they're worth it or not. I can say these zippers are fantastic as of now. They open perfectly. It comes with a floor pan. I mean, this is a fantastic build out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vents. 1, 2, 3, 4 filtration windows at the bottom, 2 viewing windows. Overall, I can't wait to see how well it contains heat and holds humidity. I'm really looking forward to this. The Vevor 10 by 5 by 80-inch tall. I was incorrect on the size. The Vevor Sun was the smaller one. The Vevor was a little bigger, and that's why this was so tough for me to put in here. I have very little space on the side, which is okay. I'll have enough for ductwork. As of now, I will leave an outstanding review on this product.